Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the issue of temporary files not deleting in Windows. These files accumulate over time from apps, updates, browsers, and system processes. If they aren't cleared regularly, they may take up several gigabytes of disk space. Step 1. Delete app temp files. Open the search bar and type %appdata% and press enter. In the folder that opens, press Ctrl+A to select all, then press delete or click the trash icon. If asked for admin permission, click continue. Note some files may be in use and can't be deleted. That's normal. Step 2. Clear Windows Update cache. Open File Explorer, then navigate to your main system drive where Windows is installed, usually local disk C. From there, double-click on the Windows folder, then scroll down and open the folder named Software Distribution. Inside it, double-click on the Download folder, press Ctrl+A to select everything inside, then press Delete to remove them. This deletes the cached files from Windows Update, which can free up several gigabytes of space if not cleaned regularly. Step 3. Enable automatic cleanup with Storage Sense. Click on the search icon, then type in Settings and open it. In the Settings window, click on System on the left sidebar, then scroll down and select Storage on the right side. Look for the section named Storage Sense and click on it. Turn the feature on. After that, click on Configure Cleanup Schedules. Under the drop-down menu, choose how often you want Windows to run this cleanup. You can set it to every day, every week, or every month. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear up temporary files manually and also enable automatic cleanup to keep your system clean in the future. This helps your PC run smoother and frees up precious disk space. Thank you for following along, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.